Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is lecture number 4, which is on sharpness of resonance, or we called it as a Q factor. So this is a graph. This shows the variation of current amplitude in a series LCR circuit with angular frequency omega for 3 different R values. The current amplitude has a peak at resonance. You can see here that at omega equals to omega r. So that means this is the resonance frequency which we have studied in the previous video. So at this particular point, they are having the peak values of r, and the angular frequency, which is resonance frequency, is equals to 1 by under root of LC. As you all know from this expression that omega r is independent of r, but the sharpness of peak depends on r. The sharpness of peak depends on r. For low r, this is the higher peak. For the highest r, this is the lower peak. So that means the peak is higher for smaller values of r. Thus the sharpness, the resonance is very sharp for small r. This is a fine graph. So this we can say that the peak is higher for smaller value of r. Thus the sharpness is higher. Sharpness is higher for the lower value of r, and sharpness is flatter one for highest value of r. So basically the sharpness of resonance is measured by the coefficient which is called as Q factor, or you can say that it is a quality factor. It is going to determine the quality of the peak or the quality of the circuit. So Q factor can be defined as the ratio of omega r to difference in frequencies taken on both the sides. Suppose we are having this graph and this is the omega r where it is showing the peak value. So I have to find out the RMS value. IRMS की वैल्यू होती है I0 by root 2. तो जब हम वहाँ पर इसकी वैल्यू देखेंगे, वहाँ पर हम दो पॉइंट्स लगाएंगे जो थोड़ा सा उससे आगे होगा, विच इज अबव फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड वन पॉइंट इज बिलो द फ्रीक्वेंसी. उस पर्टिकुलर लाइन पे जहाँ पे IRMS शो कर रहा होगा, वहां पर इस वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम ले लेंगे ओमेगा 1 और इस वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम ले लेंगे ओमेगा 2. सो मैथमेटिकली Q factor will be equal to the ratio of resonance frequency and the bandwidth. This is your bandwidth where it is passing from the IRMS. So the bandwidth is from omega 2 minus omega 1. So this is your difference in the two frequencies which is taken on both the sides of the resonant frequency, such that at each frequency the current amplitude becomes I0 times of root 2, or the I by root 2 times the value of the resonant frequency. So I can write it as omega r upon twice of delta omega, because if this is your delta omega, this is your delta omega again. So I can write omega 1 as omega r minus delta omega and omega 2 as omega r plus delta omega. So according to this, if you are going to substitute these two values here, you will be getting twice of delta omega, where this is called the bandwidth. This is called the bandwidth. The larger the value of Q factor, the smaller the value of 2 delta omega or the bandwidth, and sharper the peak in the current. So in a conclusion, I can say that if the value is larger, Q factor, quality value is larger, then the bandwidth is lesser one and you will get a sharper peak. And since it is a Q value, so it is a dimensionless quantity. One more formula is there. The Q factor in LCR series may also be defined as the ratio of voltage drop across L or R to the voltage drop across R. Let us see the formula. Q is equals to, what is the voltage drop across L or C? What is the voltage drop across L? And what is the voltage drop across R? We know that the voltage drop across L is omega L and R is IR. I से I कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So XL जो है आपका that will be your omega RL and R is resistance in which I and I will cancel off each other. And in terms of C, voltage drop across C upon voltage drop across R is also a value of Q factor. So I can write I into my XC. So 1 by XC is this, and I into my R, again I से I cancel R here. So I can write 1 upon omega RC capital R. सो अगर आप यहाँ पे ओमेगा आर की वैल्यू 1 बाय अंडर रूट एल सी सब्सटीट्यूट करोगे इधर भी और इधर भी, सो आपको पुटिंग करने के बाद सेम ही वैल्यू मिलेगी विच इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय आर अंडर रूट ऑफ एल बाय सी. सो आप इससे भी निकाल सकते हैं डायरेक्ट, और यू कैन यूज द बैंडविड्थ फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. ओमेगा आर अपॉन ओमेगा 2 माइनस ओमेगा 1. इंडक्टर के लिए आप इससे निकाल लो, कैपेसिटर के लिए आप इससे निकालो. सो वी आर हैविंग दीज फॉर्मूलाज टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ Q. सो दिस इज इन अ नटशेल. Q is equals to omega R upon bandwidth, where omega R you can put 1 by root LC. In terms of L, you can substitute this formula. In terms of C, you can substitute this formula. But omega R is not given to you. You have given in the question the value of R, L and C. Then you can substitute this formula to find out the quality factor, and quality factor is dimensionless. So this is all about quality factor and sharpness of resonance.